Chicago, Illinois. A teenager rings someone's doorbell at around 5 a.m. in the morning looking for pot.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing? They told me to come here. Y'all got the
Hello.
weed. Yeah, they told me to come here. Y'all got the weed.
He didn't even try to use a code word. We don't know what that is, sir.
Huh?
No, well, I ain't got it, baby.
Alright.
No pot here for you, buddy. Get lost.
Cam Masker turns my camera into a hidden camera. All you gotta do is slide your camera into the Cam Masker and you're ready to go. Cam Masker perfectly hides your Ring or Wise cameras without interfering with its functions. And now available for Blink Mini.